Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a customer appreciation video I'm putting together for you guys. I really appreciate all of your support over the past 4 years. We've officially hit 21,006 sales. Those are individual designs that we've sold. I appreciate all of your support. If we scroll down to the bottom of our shop here, you'll see we're now at 1,506 reviews with an average of 5 stars. So I really appreciate all of your support. And I hope you guys enjoy all the products that I've given. And then as a customer appreciation video, we're going to go through a lot of the modifications you have guys done to my designs. Instead of just reading off of reviews, I'm going to just share all of the photos and modifications that some of you have done. I wasn't able to get all of the photos for 4 years worth, but I went back a few months here, and as you can see, all these tabs that are open are all photos that you guys have shared over the past few months. I may do some more of these in the future if you like seeing the modifications done. With all that out of the way, some of the modifications have logos and designs that are not included in my products. So if you end up purchasing one of my designs up here, just keep in mind what you're seeing in this video may not be included. So with all that out of the way, let's jump into this. First photo we got here is a little PlayStation holder for like games. They added little stickers. It looks like they put stickers in the front here. So that's a super cool looking one. Next up we have the top 3 gaming stand. You put your little games in the insides, and you have 2 controller mounts on both sides here. That one turned out great. Here is that little camera that you can put like pens and scissors inside of it. This one turned out really cool. It's the record that I sell here. This is the design that I sell. They modified it, added their own little sticker. Looks like they put a QR code, a photo. This turned out amazing. This is a really cool looking gift here. This one, I sell just the little box here in the back, and then you supply your own board with. And it looks like they went out of the way and they created their own board with the box and added their own like logos and stuff. They even made little pieces for themselves. This is amazing work. I really appreciate all of your guys' support. Some of the things that you guys do with my designs are just mind-blowing. This looks amazing. Next up, we have the little Charge Me Up stand. It looks like this is the Android version that holds the little charging cable. They got sunglasses on there, little rings, necklaces. This looks awesome. Here's the gamer stands. These are super popular. You may see a few of these in this video here. Looks like they added the word gamer, and they added these little graphics on it. This is super cool. I like the two-tone color look here. They got the headphones on the back. Those are a large pair of headphones there. It's super cool. Next up, we have the little retro TV that you put your smartwatch in, and it gives it this look here. Turned out really great. This one is a video. So it looks like they used the ultimate gamer stand that has the cell phone stand, and the 2 gaming controllers, a headphone stand attached. Then they added LEDs underneath and put their own acrylic under there. So this turned out really cool looking. As you can see, we have all of those little retro LEDs in there. That's awesome. That's probably one of my favorite looking gaming stands so far. Here's another one of those vinyl records. It looks like they added their own wording around it too. This is super cool. A little like date there, like save the date kind of thing. Next up is another gaming stand, another one of those ultimate gaming stands with a cell phone holder and the controller holder here. It looks like they got, I believe that's called the M1 from Xtool, so that's the M1 laser from Xtool, I believe. Correct me wrong in the comments below. I'm not sure, I don't own one of those, but that's what it looks like. Next up, looks like another Charge Me Up stand. This looks like the MagSafe version that is connected to a cell phone and a smartwatch for your Apple devices. Looks like they also added their own little logos here, which I do not include. And then the cool thing about this design has the little wire redirector there as well, so that's super cool. These little scrunchy files actually made it into Glowforge's Instagram page, so I was super proud of these little scrunchy files. You can add like hair scrunchies, bobby pins, hair bands. These are super fun. A lot of people like these. There's actually 2 rows of scrunchies too, so if you can see this back row where it's angled, that's why there's 2 of them in this version. This is the largest version that we have. It looks like this person modified the little retro radios that I sell here. They added the front option, the front plate, instead of just doing the regular score on the design itself. So that's a super cool little touch. Makes it look like those buttons are actually clickable. That's super cool. Here's a little pinball gaming stand. So that's super cool. It looks really great. I like the little looks of it in that office there. Here's another one of those gaming stands. This one's for Xbox this time. That turned out really cool. Here's one of the wall-mounted gaming stands. Unfortunately, Etsy kind of cut off the top and bottom here, but it holds 2 controllers and a headphone stand. Another one of the gaming stands, like I said, these are super popular. You can add your own logo. It looks like they added their own logo that's not included with the design originally. And I love the two-tone look. The black and white looks awesome here, so that's really cool. Next up is the little candy machine. This is awesome. I did mine in green glass. This looks pretty cool with the cherry looking color and the clear glass here, so that looks awesome. Next up is the little keychain stands. This one is mine on the right here, my design. It looks like they added a little customize me sticker. This one, I don't think I sell this design. But this turned out really awesome here. I like all the keychains, all the customization there. Next up is the little retro TV stands again for Apple Watches. I love the multicolored ones and the United States flag in the background. That's super cool. Here's the little VR headset stands. So for like the, what do you call those? The Meta headsets. These are super cool. Somebody recommended that I make one of these a while ago, and this is what I came up with. Super neat. And then here's a little iPhone or Apple Watch stand again. It looks like there's this unique looking colored wood. It looks super cool. Love the desk and setup in the background. Whoever made this is amazing. You guys should be proud of yourself. And then here is the little trophy stands that I make, or little displays that I make. These are super cool. I love the hat in it. It looks awesome. And then lastly, we have another one of those where they customized it and added this outside layering to it to hide those tabs. And they got this little display inside here. This looks amazing. This is super cool. Other than that, I really appreciate all of your guys' support. If you do want to purchase any of my files, just check out my shop on Etsy. It's called Fresh Start Customs. I only sell digital designs. I don't sell any of the physical products. That's for you guys. So if you buy a digital design, you can sell the physical products you make with that design. You just can't resell the digital design. With all that out of the way, I really appreciate all of your guys' support over the years, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.